With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Our question is, if the planes r vector dot I cap plus j cap plus k cap equals to 1, r vector dot I cap plus 2a j cap plus k cap equals to 2, and r vector dot ai cap plus a square j cap plus k cap equals to 3. Okay, and then this intersect in a line, then the possible number of real values of a is. Okay, here it is given that okay, these all three planes intersect in a line, then the possible number of real values of a is. Okay, so suppose this plane to be n1 and this plane to be n2 and this plane to be n3. Okay, these all three intersect in a line. Okay, so if I draw here, this is my line. Okay, and this is my first plane. Okay, so this is my first plane. Okay, so this line is common because these all three intersect in a line, but I here take only n1 and n2. Okay, so here from this plane, this n1 vector is perpendicular, and this n2 vector from this plane, this n2 vector is perpendicular. Okay, so from here I can say the line vector value is, the line vector equation is n1 vector cross n2 vector. Okay, and here this is the third plane. So if I draw here, it is in this way, okay, so it is like this. Okay, so from here this is our n3. Okay, and this is perpendicular to this line. Okay, if I intersect it, so from here I can say n3 dot n1 cross n2 vector equals to 0 because these both are perpendicular. Okay, so from here I can say, okay, the triple product of this vector n3, n1, n2. Okay, I can also write in this way. Okay, so this is equals to 0, and the value of this triple product is the determinant of the coefficient of all three vector. Okay, so determinant, I write here the coefficient of n3 vector is a square and 1, and n1 vector is 1 1 1, and n2 vector coefficient is, here it is I cap plus 2a j cap plus k cap. So I put here the coefficient of I cap is 1, coefficient of j cap is 2, and coefficient of k cap is 1, which is equals to 0. Okay, then I have to open this determinant. So from here I take this a. Okay, from here I take this a, and I have to leave this row and this column. Okay, and then I multiply 1 with this one. So 1 into 1 minus 2a into 1 is 2a, and here I have to put minus 1 sign. Okay, so I have to leave this row and this column. Okay, so a square into 1 is a square minus this 2a into 1 is 2a. Okay, and then I have to take this last plus 1. Okay, so here I take plus 1 into, I have to not to take this row. Okay, I have not to take this row and this column. Okay, so a square into 1 minus 1. So I write here a square into 1 is a square minus 1 into 1 is 1 equals to 0. Okay, so the value of this is a into 1 into 1 is 1, and 1 into a is a, minus a into 2a is 2a square, and here minus 1 into a square is minus a square, and minus 1 into minus 2a is plus 2a, and here I can say plus 1 into a square is plus a square, and plus 1 into minus 1 is minus 1 equals to 0. Okay, so from here I can cancel a square, and so from here I can say a minus 2a square plus 2a minus 1 equals to 0. Okay, so if I rearrange it, then I can also write it as, so I multiplied entire equation by minus and I have to rearrange it. Okay, so this became plus, so I write here 2a square, and this became minus 2a. Okay, and here it is plus, so after multiplying by minus 1, So this will also become minus a, and this become plus 1. Okay, plus 1 equals to 0. Okay, so I take from here 2a as common, and the remaining part is a minus 1. From here also I take minus 1 as common, and the remaining part is a minus 1 equals to 0. Okay, so from here I can say I take a minus 1 as common, so the remaining part is 2a minus 1 equals to 0. So I have to put these both the bracket equals to 0. If I put this bracket equals to 0, a is equals to 1, and if I put this bracket equals to 0, 2a minus 1 equals to 0, 2a minus 1 equals to 0, so 2a equals to plus 1. Okay, so a is equals to 1 by 2. So from here I get two real values of a. Okay, so from here I can say the correct answer is the number of real values of a is 2. Option 2 is the right answer. Okay, so thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut App today.